How to activate your MetroBank credit card. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily activate your credit card from your MetroBank. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you have also gotten your credit card from MetroBank and want to activate it, this is the right video for you. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your web browser and search for Activate MetroBank Credit Card, and you'll see the link pop up right away. You'll just have to open up this link. You can also type in the URL right here, metrobankcard.com. Now you'll land on this page right here once you open up the link. And if you scroll down a bit, here you have an option to enter your card number. And once you do that, you can simply choose your card's expiry date. And once that is done, you can just simply go ahead and enter this CAPTCHA. But if you cannot understand this, then you can just click right here to load a new one. Now you just have to verify that you're a human, so go ahead and enter the CAPTCHA right here. And then you should be good to go. So I'm just going to enter a few numbers here. And once that is done, you can just click on proceed, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.